Hi, Chad Knowlton of Notopia Publishing here. Today I'd like to introduce you to Workbook 2. So Workbook 2 contains content related to the storybooks and the app, of course. The themes are games, things that children want, instruments, things that you draw, and things that you make. So the verbs that are relevant to this book are play, make, like, want, and draw. Also, verbs from the previous book, such as eat, drink, ride, are continuously used through this. So you don't have to worry so much about consciously reintroducing material because it's built into the materials themselves. Okay, next one we're gonna do I want. You ready? Who's first? Who's first? Go! I want.
A
ball.
robot.
A robot? A robot. Hey, what do you want? I want a.
I want
A.
a
Uh-huh. Okay. Puzzle, robot, ball, skateboard.
puzzle.
Puzzle, nice. Hey, what do you want? So I want.
I want
What you want? A puzzle, a robot,
robot.
robot, nice. So you've got constant review. Again, like with Workbook 1, there's a similar system. You want to elicit a response like, what do you want? I want this. What don't you want? I don't want this. And do you want? An important thing to keep in mind is that the pages in the workbook, for example, if the kids are doing page 10 and 11, then you want to make sure that they do only page 10 and 11 in the app when they do it. Generally, that's not a problem. If they want to study more, they can do practice or review in the app. Some methods you could use to keep kids happy during class and elicit those responses, keep them coming speedy, is a group game like this, where, again, kids get these pieces each time. You can put them in piles in front of you if you don't want them to play with them, or you can directly give it to them depending on the personality of the group. When they have all the pieces, you can play the game. You can also play the game during the activity, but it could be distracting. Again, it's up to you. It's your class. Something else that's very handy, easy to get your hands on, and inexpensive are puzzles. And you can give kids a puzzle piece. Depending on how fast you want things to go, you can give them 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. And once they have all the puzzle pieces, or all the puzzle pieces you want them to have, depending on the complexity of the puzzle, you don't even necessarily have to give them all of the pieces. Then you decide when it's time to make the puzzle. And again, that's another simple, easy activity. Try it. It works great. And that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you next time.